Right, we've come back up to these old buildings again. It's what time is it about?
It's 8:10. Yeah.
8:10 at night.
But the last time I come here, there was people in, wasn't there? So
So we just turned around because we went in there, that top door.
there's loads of swallows flying around. Right?
Aye, there is, aye. We're like nicely in the middle of summer, mid-July. So we're hoping on finding at least a couple of swallows. There's loads of sheds and old buildings to check out. We're going to have a good walk around, we'll make a good video. Aye, there's the moon. You might be able to see it on the camera.
What do you reckon?
Right, I'll put the camera back on. We've just entered the building, come in that way.
Is that asbestos or is that more fiberglass?
I didn't even know what that stuff is.
Fiberglass.
There is asbestos on top of that, on the outside, I know that. But like you say, they would probably have to cover it on the inside when something, wouldn't they? Just looking around. It is.
It is. Especially when it's getting late after.
I will look into the corners and that to see if we can spot any swallows. Because it can come in all these windows in the air. I think I did see nests in here last time I was in. There's a bit of a one up there, but it looks old. There's a bit of a swallows up there, but it looks kind of old. I seen that last time we were here. Should be wearing face masks on, like dust masks, you know, when we're in these places. Aye.
Dry throat.
Is that a pigeon in here? Oh, there's a nest up there. See behind that? You can see all the twigs sticking in it. It's going to be a pigeon, like. It's just a bit too high for to get the. They might be climbing around a place like this. Just looking around to see that bits of bird shit doing there, like bird droppings, bits of feathers. Few. Right. Just in another pod, having a good little spy around. There's another nest up there. Right, we've come out of the main big building there and we're just having a look inside these little places. Just in case there's any swallows or anything in the doorways. Oh, right, in the top corner.
There will be in there somewhere flying around.
There's a load of them flying around out there, so. We've seen a lot, last time we were parked beside the gates there, and we've seen them like flying around. Ah, no, the gate, they've actually put a thing on that one. I think we were in these last time, I know. Unless there was a way you could get in up the top. Different door. I can't remember that one being locked like that. Probably was like.
It looks like it's a mix in that quarter. Oh no, it's not.
Aye.
Get in this one, too.
Oh, right, aye. We've never been in that one yet. We were definitely in there last time. Oh, there, the door's open, man. I knew we got in there somehow. We didn't want anyone to see what.
What?
Yeah, no, I'm just saying to the camera, we didn't want anyone to see what. We've got out to worry, but it's an old abandoned place, like. We're going to have a look in here. I couldn't get in here last time, but it looks like someone smashed the doors in. Ton of glass on the floor. Oh no, I've got my little torch in my pocket, like. Aye. Aye. I'm watching where I'm starting in case there's out dodgy lying around on the floor like needles and that. Or rusty nails, especially. Man, we're going to be pushed finding nests in here, I think that's for sure. Look at how dark this room is. Bird jumped out.
What's a pigeon that I got a heart attack? So I had to come into that dark room and creeping out.
Aye, creeping around.
Freaking hell.
Where was it, roughly?
Yeah, somewhere.
Around the corner.
Toilet.
I'm watching my head.
In the corner. You're saying.
Oh, right, aye.
Pigeon, it must be. I think it was a pigeon like this dog there.
Rock doves, I think. Aye, because the wood pigeon will not nest in here. They nearly always rock dove. It's worth having a look, like.
There's a fright though. That's creepy.
Aye. I can climb, I might climb on that bench, like.
Solid will be, and
I know.
you'll still not be there.
It's all been smashed and everything. Oh, I can get there with the camp now, like just lifting the. I might even be able to reach it from off the ground, like, I don't know. Just trying to be careful where I'm standing. I push that window shut. I think the glass dropping out of it. And turn the viewfinder on the camera. Just adjust the lens. So I can see into the nest a little bit. It's got a couple of eggs in there, like.
Probably just a pig inside, probably, wouldn't it?
Aye.
Well, I mean, it might be a rock dove, I suppose.
It's what you get in these buildings.
What a rock dove.
It's like, you know, like the ones that you get under the bridges and stuff like that. They are the rock dove. It's like a, you know, like a feral pigeon type thing. It's still got, it's still got some cover in it.
I've got the soap in.
It's amazing. I'm just pleased to find even the pigeons. Oh, definite. Because we've come into these buildings before, by the other ones, and putting out.
Right.
Oh no, I'm just worried about where I'm standing. Trying to watch the ground at the same time. How's that?
I'd say that the sort of thing the dust now, like.
Oh, there's a ton of this stuff on it.
Like that.
I know. It's all the rock wool type crap in the ceiling, isn't it? No, I'm just trying to see into here. I mean, the door's open. Yeah, there's a load of it on the floor. I don't know.
I think when I got
Like a
rid of
mesh.
the you know, it started chasing the dust.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I knew. Should have somebody was in here.
No, I don't know. Definitely would.
Yeah, stairway there, and upstairs.
All right. Yeah.
Probably get out there.
I'm surprised the scrappers haven't been in here and took all that copper. They took most of it, like they've just left the big nut.
Sort of chased that dust, like.
I will get it. Aye. We're down into the other ones. Aye. Didn't fancy getting up through there. Not going upstairs. You see all this crap on the floor. Didn't like breathing this in. Got me jumper on me mouth. Breathe through my nose. Until not, you can't pull that light off.
Part of the head.
Yeah, aye. I've got a bit of work to catch up on, like. Definitely. Right, we'll put it over here. Right, we'll order that. That's the stairway there. See, I can see all the swallows here in front of her.
I know, they've got to be.
Aye, that's what I was thinking. They could be in these front rooms.
Got to be, isn't it?
Because all the boarding and ceiling and everything's been ripped out of that one over there.
Yeah, not that one.
Not in that room there. This is where we seen them last time when we were parked outside the gates. Could be in these little rooms. There's nothing in that one. Could be in these little rooms, but it's not looking too good at the minute. Oh well, the doors are here for these. There's nothing in that one. And this is just a big room. Big old empty space. I don't know. I think I've just heard one. I'll just have a look around the corner. I know we haven't been in this part yet. Oh, there, jackdaw. See it on there?
I've seen one before. Should be for them anyway, isn't it?
Aye, that would probably be a big young'un. He's trying to get out the holes in the windows. I'll have a look in here. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. My torch isn't even working in here very good. My torch isn't even working in here very well. You know, like, and the torch is a good torch. But it's when the roof being black, it's not very...
The same one then. Might probably needs a bit of a charge, like.
No, it's just not working very well at all.
Is that the same one, one of the same ones what you give me?
Aye, one of the new USB ones.
I haven't charged this one, you know.
Right, aye, you probably need a good charge then.
I bought it and I didn't charge it.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on charge, probably put it.
Just having a
Five,
go.
so it's probably going to be 23.
Aye, it should be. Aye.
It's got a big a lot more fucking phones, isn't it?
Aye. Oh, here's a nest here. Don't know if it's a swallows or a blackbirds or what. There is a swallows up there. Oh, there's one up the top there. And there's one here. That one actually looks damp, you know, like freshly built.
Just stick the camera on.
Oh, that's what I'm going to do. Right? I'm just looking around to see if there's any more in the corners. Oh, we'll not get to the top one, like. This one might be worth looking at. Just tilt the viewfinder, tilt the lamp. Yeah, we'll put it. And hopefully there might be something in there. Can't see any little shapes in there, like. I think it's a blackbird's nest, isn't it? It looks massive. Aye. Aye, that one on the top would never get into that.
In that corner, sort of, yeah.
Up here. Oh, right. Oh, it's a bit of insulation, is it?
This light definitely needs stars like this. I'll break it. Is
Oh,
that
it is.
one of those what you give me, you know?
What's
Is that
that?
the sort what you give me, one of them ones?
Aye, one of these little USB ones. I charged this one fully before I come out, like.
I like this, the charge pretty bright as hell.
So we're going to check them other sheds to run the back then. Aye, we'll get it here. We'll put up in there, we're not seeing now. A couple of old nests. The swallows are nesting. We'll just go out the way we came in, probably. It'll be quicker. There's a jackdaw flying around. We're in a different building, different part of it. It's not too pleased that we're here, but in that corner there you can see it's a great big huge nest. Jackdaws. We're trying to work our way into that. You can see the little window there. Jackdaw. It was on from the outside, a swallow flew out of the other window. And we're gonna see if we can work our way around and into the rooms. I got the torch on. Attach it to the door, like.
There is a door, but I'm just sitting at it now.
I'm just watching where I'm standing because the bricks now. I don't even know how. Just looking on the beams just in case there's a course it. It would be good if it was, but didn't think so.
Is there opening? Where's opening?
It pushes out and I forward. I'm just looking in here, see if I can see a nest anywhere. Because it is in there somewhere, the bird flew with that. But
put the camera off a bit.
aye, we're back around, we'll climb in or something. Right, I put the camera back on, we're still in the room, but I'm standing on the table. We found where the swallow came from. You can see the nest there on that corner of that beam. Like up against the wall, reading the top, nicely in the middle of the circle. It flew straight down and straight out the room. And it would have to be in the most awkward place. But all the ceilings are knackered and it's a little bit tricky. Right, I'm going to get done. I don't think we'll be checking it. Right, we've just come from over there. I'm over here now and looking around. I'm going to climb through here. I'll touch them where I stand. See if I can see any swallows in here. Ah, there's one on the corner. I'm in here. I found one, like. There's a little door here, man. We don't believe in ghosts. Don't believe in fairies. Just not to see if there's any more, but they're just there in that corner. It's got a lot of droppings on that, like. I mean, I want to try, like. Could get on the window frame and. It does look like a bit of a furnace type thing. Aye, it's got the doors on it and that, right? I'm being careful where I stand because there's a ton of glass. Aye, boiler isolator. Aye, it's all for the heating. Down through there.
That there looks good.
Oh, definitely.
But isn't. how you...
And I'm gonna have to, one of them tin things would have been good or not.
You might just reach on the camera.
I'm gonna give it a try, like I'll move some of this glass out of the way because there's a spike just standing up really.
It's
just standing up. Tripod about 3 foot, like, might not be tall enough. I'm getting a torch in at the same time, shining in the corner.
On the brick you might make it like.
And I've got the camera at the right angle and all.
Have a look at me a little bit.
You might have a bit higher reach than me, like that.
About my arms.
You're definitely a bit taller than me. I was just standing on that bar and trying to
My
reach.
arms, They got angle reach or...
It's perfect. I've adjusted it a little bit now. Shouldn't be too bad. A little bit higher, I think. Isn't that going any higher for the roof? So turn it around a bit, like a cut, you know. The shadow sort of. Yeah, I can see into it. I don't know if there's a limit, to be honest.
I can't tell. Can you see in there? So it's got angle to see in it?
Not now. Shall I just angle a bit more on the camera? Because it is pointing doing too much, isn't it?
Okay.
It was pointing doing too much to the camera because it straightened it a bit.
I think that'd be best that it was pointing.
That's what I thought, but then it's like the back end of it's hitting the roof.
There might be something there, but I'm not sure.
What a tell, isn't it?
Alright. See there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's just...
It could be the line with fellas, but there might make the eggs in here. I don't think it is.
Right. We'll see on the camera when you get it here.
Aye.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's not worth the hassle, I mean. We might find an easier one. You can see how this... I wouldn't even want a chance holding onto that window frame and standing on that ledge and...
Still wouldn't be from there, Tim.
And lean... Oh, if I was standing on there, I probably would.
If you find some...
And I just to stand on something.
Yeah, if you find some kind of ladder. If you find something...
It's just some of the bit make things a little bit easier. We'd only have to be up an extra 2 foot.
Aye, but the camera was high enough up there.
Aye, it was just...
The roof.
Aye.
It was just getting an angle.
Aye, you're right, aye.
The camera was actually hit on the roof on it.
Mm-hmm.
Unless
Aye.
you try it again and...
And you're right, we couldn't see properly. It was just a bit awkward. Too tight in the corner. We'll have a look for an easier one. Right, we've just come over there. I'll show you where. That's where we've been.
That's try to get the camera, but...
It was just a bit awkward. It was tight against the roof, wasn't it? It was only a little gap. Couldn't get the camera over the top of the nest.
Might see something.
But this shed, and our last time we were here, I was there 2 or 3 years ago, and there was a swallow's nest in here then. But we came too early in the year. It was around about April or May, and there was no here, but, well, they had nests, but they didn't have eggs. There was no in them, but I didn't like diving into places just in case that was jumping.
That's how it there.
I'm trying to think where this nest was, because I think I climbed up these and it was on one of the beams. Oh, there's the remains of one, just straight above her. Now there. You see the bits of mud.
Well, you find this one, isn't it? That's nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, it's a shame. Off the floor. I'm just looking around the back of the beams just in case. And then that one up. There's nothing here this year. Lots of spiders' webs, that's all that is. I'll get over here. Right, a bit further down and a bit further in. Right, a bit further down and a bit further in. We've come into this one. There's actually one there. You can see it in the middle of the dot.
Really high up.
There's one in that corner. And
One on this
a bit of a rock.
there up here.
You can see that one there.
It's too high, it's not.
Right.
Too high.
That's what we're hoping to find them in the little sheds, but even they were too high. It's a trouble when coming to places like this.
This would be quite locked in.
We've just come into another end. We've just come from up there. Come into another little shed type thing, and pigeons in the top corner again. I'll lift the camera over the top and just have a quick look in. What do we find out else? It's always worth having a look. Yeah, nothing there. We've come to the end of these.
What?
I'm just saying we've come to the end of the part of the building, and this looks good enough for the swallows or something like, but we've looked all the way down and
Like you said, we've seen a few nests.
aye, found a few swallows at the top that just that little bit out of reach.
Couldn't get into them, but
Aye.
they're there, you know. Still kind of coming full.
Aye.
You know.
We've had a good look around, I suppose. There's a kestrel. Yeah, it's right in front of us. It's flying around, it's hovering. I don't know.
Probably set the camera to and get that nice and steady and have it stay there.
They just didn't stay in the same spot for too long, like, do they? We were just talking about a kestrel before on that platform thing. On the top of there, where that cage steps are, but the steps are only halfway up. It looked like an ideal place. There was a load of bird droppings on the bottom.
It's hovering again
Aye, in the bottom there. That's roughly over the top of the pond. No, it's a bit further out, like, isn't it? Yeah, it's away a bit further again.
coming this way, isn't it?
No, it's gone even further. Quite a distance.
Where?
Well, we've just come out of that bit building there. The moon is out properly. Swallows are flying around. They were inaccessible.
Aye, we've seen the nest though.
Aye.
Yeah.
We've had a good walk through this time. We've spent about an hour. We might be getting about 20 or 30 minutes video, we're just not sure. And we'll video as much as we could.
We're pretty close to that white though, it's what we found last week.
Aye.
We should have a check of that.
Aye, so we'll end the video with that. Aye.
Just see if it's got any, might have young now.
Aye, it should have.
If it has, we'll put them in. Is it through come in now?
Aye, just straight up here. Aye, right, so. See you in a second. Well, we've come back to that path where we found the common white rose.
Right. Just it might even have young because it had 5, was it 5 eggs it had?
4 when I looked on the camera, because couldn't quite see it properly, could we?
It might still just have eggs.
Aye.
We're just passing by this way, so we're just having a check on it really.
Aye, just to end the video when it was only about a mile away from where we were. Making this video, so we do mean to come back one day, run and check out how around the backs of there, like around the tops and that. 'Cause there's a lot of gorse. Yeah, we're nearly walked past it. It was actually just that post there, and then it's just in there.
You could kind of see straight into this, could you?
It was hidden. I did cover it back over. It is where we're looking.
Was it?
Aye.
I can see it, I can see it. No, it is. Ah, it's got little chips in it.
Oh, right, so the bird must be in there somewhere then, because it hasn't flew yet.
Ah, it's got a bunch of little chicks in it. They look actually look like cancer.
It's been over a week since we're here, you know. The eggs were full. Aye, were definitely full.
Just like.
Aye, I've got the camera on. I'll get the torch out because you might not be able to see now there. It's a bit dull in there.
I look, you know, there's a good few days over
Aye.
there's a parent there over there, you know.
All right. I can see the yellow beaks. They've got a bit of feather on them, like, haven't they?
How many days over do you reckon, Emma?
Yeah. A good few days old.
4 days old, maybe?
Aye.
Was it a week? Has it been a week? They must have been ready to hatch.
The eyes are opening. They've got feathers on them, mate.
Aye, that's some too.
Their eggs must have been really full.
Yeah, they must have just been ready to hatch from the full.
I'm just moving things back into place there. I'm not sure if people can see that like very clear because it's quite dark in there and very well camouflaged. I did hear the white throat up there a couple of seconds ago. I'm cheering on. Aye. Yeah, they're quite close.
I just seen it before when you just went in there. Yeah, I'm not sure. Should we just get away?
Aye, we'll get away. Aye, we'll let that get back.
We just really wanted to check to see.
Just to see if it was going to be successful. Aye. Because a lot of the small nests we find, you know, something happens to them. I think 9 out of 10 get predated. It's just to make an ending on the video and all, isn't it, really? Aye, so, right, we'll have to see you in the next video, and we're not sure what that one's going to be. We haven't put it on, we haven't made it yet.